This is the latest victim. It's a 78Z. This is an aluminum 6-liter, or basically this is a L76 G8 motor. 53, 64 heads. Speed engineering. 1 7/8 long tube headers. Yeah, it's brand Tooley, dual springs, titanium retainers. Has a comp cam. New water pump, LS1 style water pump. I went with truck spacing since I had a few extra truck balancers. When I did the true G8 spacing, which is on the Corvette spacing, my heater hoses were too far back for my my upper control arm here. So I end up getting F-body accessories, and there's the spacer to space it out, the truck spacing, which was nice. It allowed me to go back with my steam port right into the water outlet side, and then whatever air bubbles, if any, should be carried right out into the upper radiator hose, going out back into the radiator. That's the catch can. I do have the LS3 valley cover plumbed into catch can. It's a vented catch can too. It'll have an air filter on this, and then plumbed back into the engine there, and the intake rather. Like I said, brand new water pump, power steering and alternator brackets are from ICT Billet. They're also brand new. Alternator itself is also brand new, and the power steering pump is low, really low miles, like I think 40,000 miles on it. Other than that, speed engineering, 1 7/8 long tube headers, they're brand new. I have a speed engineering X pipe kit, stainless steel, 304. This is pieces of it here, and pieces of it are under the car already. Started to build it. I have some single chamber mufflers going in, and I have the Flowmaster 3-inch over the axle tailpipes. I didn't want the dumps. I didn't want to be sitting at the light or sitting in traffic in the Dream Cruise or something and have the exhaust fumes coming back in the car. To match the black and yellow theme on the interior, it was already done like that when I got it. But to match this theme, I ended up ordering a set of racing buckets. I still have them covered because I'm still working in the garage and I didn't want to get them dirty or any smudges on them. But they are black and yellow to go with the theme. PCM is on the passenger side on the floor right now, but I have my bracket there. I need to mount it underneath the dash. This is like a 4-inch cowl hood. It's fiberglass. See, it's fiberglass. Needs to be painted to match the rest of the car. Cosmis XT-005R wheels, 18s, 18 by 10s in the rear, I think 18 by 9s up front. I got the rears in the basement still, and the fronts I just have on the car right now. These things are like super light. I wanted to go with PTFE braided hose for my power steering lines. I need to change this fitting out to a 90, so I'll be doing that, probably shortening it up about right here, doing a 90, just looping in. This is the reservoir return, and this is the pump pressure line, or pump pressure line going out into the gearbox, and this will be the low pressure return back into the reservoir. Other than that, I still have to get a throttle cable, probably do like a low car throttle cable to match the low car dipstick over there for the trans. It is a built turbo 350 in here, like a 3200 stall, which should work well with the cam that I have in here. What else? Braided trans lines running up. I have to mount the trans cooler still yet. Before they had it plumbed into the radiator, I'm not going to plumb it into the radiator. I'm going to plumb it right into trans cooler, large trans cooler. actually, I believe, trans cooler is sitting over there on that shelf in the back, that big boy. Should keep the temps all the way down. When I say all the way down, I mean all the way down. So we got that, and yeah, hopefully soon I'll have her out. Do a little paint on the valve cover stuff, the brackets to hold the coils, nothing special. But that's it. 78Z. Hopefully I can get her done soon.